Hello everybody, Steve here, and today we're going to be looking at this Master Lock M176. The Master Lock Magnum number M176XLDLH solid body padlock features a 2-inch 51mm wide zinc die-cast body for strength and reliability. The 3/8 10mm diameter octanal shackle is 2 inches, which is 51 millimeters long, and made of tough cut boron carbide, 50% harder than hardened steel, offering maximum resistance to cutting and sawing. The rolling pin cylinder provides maximum pick and pry resistance. The dial cover offers superior weather protection, and reinforced body bumper protects against scratches. The lock includes set your own combination and added convenience of a backup key. The lifetime guarantee provided peace of mind from a brand you can trust. Well, I guess that's a lot to take in, but anyway. So we are going to look at different ways on how we can get into this Master Lock. And even though I'm pretty sure cutting and stuff like that would work, we're not going to worry about that today. So let's just move these things out of the way. And if I really wanted to get into it and not worry about it, I just take my cutting torch and melt that thing open, but not that big of a deal. So we are going to look at ways on getting this thing open. So anybody have any ideas on one way that this could be opened? Anybody? So I hear Chris. He is saying, well, maybe the combination might be scratched on the back of the lock, like in my video I showed. Well, let's take a look. Nope. No scratching of a combination anywhere. So that's out of the picture. What does everybody else think? Well, I'm kind of hearing somebody to say, look up to the left. And what do we see here? We see a number. And it says 4762. Well, I wonder if that's going to do the trick. So let's try that out. 4, 7, 6, and 2. And voila. Well, there we go. That did it. Well, don't keep the combination anywhere where everybody can see. I guess an open's an open, right? So we're done, right? Yeah. Anybody else? Oh, well. Yeah, you're right. There's a keyhole on the side of the lock. And here's a key. Let's try that out. Oh, there we go. That's kind of nice. That's kind of convenient. Well, yeah, there's some of these. That's the way the lock is supposed to be opened, but I got a better idea. How about using this? And what is this, you might ask? Well, this is from Sparrow's Lockpicking, and this is the Ultra Decoder. The Sparrow's Ultra Decoder is designed to decipher the combination of multi-wheel locks by placing the Sparrow's Ultra Decoder on the axle that runs through the wheels inside the lock. The operator can feel for changes in the feature of the axle. Flat spots or grooves on the axle can be felt by the Ultra Decoder. As the operator spins the wheel, the flat spots or grooves will reveal the lock combination. Blah, blah, blah. Well, let's see. Alright, so apparently you can use this to decode the combination. So I think whoever mentioned that, you might have had a sneak peek on my last video when I showed that a little bit. But let's take a look at that. So what we're doing is we're putting this decoder on the right side of the wheel, and then we can fill on the side, and then as we turn the wheel we can fill the little flat spots. So when we get here to 4, if I can turn the wheel, there we go. See, now you can fill that flat spot in there. Let's try the other one. Guess it helps when you already know the combination. Okay, so I'm still filling high, 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 and then there's a flat spot. Next. Okay, still high, no flat spot. Okay, here we go. I still feel high, and oh, there's the flat spot. Okay, next one. Okay, here we go, and we're coming around, and there's the flat spot. Let's try that out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see, the right combination. Filling for those hot flat spots got me to the 4762. What a surprise, huh? Let's scramble this up. So another way to open it up. So I know somebody was also paying attention to my video from last time. Let's take this ultra decoder and slip it in between the wheels, not on the right side, but let's do it through the left side. And we'll just kind of fill right through. Look how far that goes in, and that's going right into the lock. And then we'll push the shackle at the same time, pushing down on the decoder, and boom, there we go. There's another way. And that leads me to my last favorite, or the last way that I want to show you that I've gotten this thing open, and not by using my grinding wheel or anything, but we are going to do is use this pin. And so normally this is a smaller pin that's in there that holds the shackle and the body on. And of course, you all seen the sneak peek where I drilled that out and opened it up. So let's do that real quick. Let's see how fast we can. Maybe I can speed this up and you can see me going in super speed here, opening this thing up. There we go. There's the shackle. Off comes the rubber cover. And out comes the core body of the lock. And there's locking lugs. There's that cover plate. This off. There's the spring. Everything just falling into my hand. And of course we can hear airplanes flying overhead. There's that part. There comes that. Here comes the spring. That part, spring. Let's see. I think we already got it open. Why are we doing all this? I don't know. Just because we can, huh? There goes that screw. There goes the plug. There goes that spring. Oh, I bent it. Dang it. I'll have to fix that. And in here we have a little clip. Coming out. Did I get it out? Where'd it go? It's hard to see in there. So tiny, so hard to see. There it is. And here we go. There we go. Well, there we go. That's all it took. No, I didn't even need my pliers. So there we have it. The many ways of taking a Master Lock M176 completely apart. Everything nice, everything everywhere. So anyway, and we didn't even use my grinder. We just used a drill to drill that pin out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any comments, please leave them below, and make sure you give a thumbs up and like this video, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.